Welcome to Herbal Home Remedies. Please like, share, and subscribe.
In this video, we're going to teach you 2 recipes to eliminate joint pain. This will help alleviate back and leg pains also. The principal ingredient in these recipes is gelatin. Gelatin contains 2 amino acids, proline and hydroxyproline, both of which are beneficial to healthy joint fabric. Besides providing strength to the joints and heart muscles, gelatin improves your metabolism and skin. It's rich in collagen, a protein that is found for the most part in bone tissue. Collagen is another reason why gelatin is extremely beneficial in strengthening the joints and muscles of the heart, improving metabolism, increasing mental capacity, and avoiding the emergence of bone issues such as arthritis and osteoporosis. In this recipe, you're going to use colorless, flavorless gelatins. The colored gelatins normally use dyes that add toxins to our bodies. You can find this colorless, flavorless gelatin in any good supermarket and most health food stores. So how does this treatment go? It's very simple. At night, before going to bed, mix 5 grams of gelatin in a 1/4 cup of cold water. Let the mixture sit out overnight. Don't put it in the refrigerator. This mixture is going to turn into a jello-like substance. The next morning, eat this jello on an empty stomach. If you want, you can add a little bit of honey or freshly squeezed lemon or orange juice. Within 7 days, you'll start to feel the benefits. Continue this treatment for 30 days and repeat the process after 6 months. The second recipe helps in strengthening of joints and muscles, increasing mental capacity, and avoiding the emergence of bone problems such as arthritis and osteoporosis. This recipe contains a high amount of vitamin C that helps in the prevention of several bone illnesses and also has anti-inflammatory properties. This recipe not only has vitamin C, but also contains manganese that helps the bones and assists in the breaking down of fat and carbohydrates. It also works to absorb calcium and regulates the blood sugar. Manganese is also rich in collagen. Ingredients: 250 milliliters of water, 1 cup of oatmeal, 2 cups of chopped pineapple, 1 cup of orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 5 grams of powdered gelatin, colorless and flavorless. Instructions: boil the water, adding the oatmeal and stirring continuously. Wait for it to cool. Next, prepare the juice in a blender. Blend the pineapple, gelatin, orange juice, and cinnamon. After that, mix in the oatmeal and blend again. Drink immediately. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.